Those are just fireworks.
Woo!
And the big one's fat.
Is there any more?
You did fix that.
Sad to the channel.
I did fix it.
They can't even see you. Now I guess the fireworks are done.
Bye, guys.
I'm actually gonna put this on our
newest video.
Huh?
I sound 18.
Huh?
I sound 18 in my newest video.
I guess they're done.
Huh? New firework right here.
So hard for like it to see. I guess we're gonna do a little vlog to the thing without nothing, seeing nothing. Cause the car.
I'll never spill it, I promise you.
That's my foot. That's my face. You can't even see it.
I was like, I get really drunk because I'm walking in the straight line.
Not sponsored by anything.
Sponsored by XX Elite Sniper 37XX.
No, we're not. Don't check out his channel. Subscribe. It's gonna be a
Help me out! I'm about to be 100.
Whoa! No, don't! I guess it's out. Peace. I said Deadpool. It's like, peace.